This is the Hyundai Sonata 7th generation hybrid PHEV. And if you want to know where the spare tire is located in this car, the problem is that originally they weren't equipped with spare tires, because in this place where you expect to have a spare tire, you'll have the high voltage battery pack. Here it is. So no place for even a small donut tire or something like that. So many people will just buy a donut spare tire and place it here. Or alternatively, you may use the tire repair kit that's originally it was in this bag. I just don't have it because someone used it. One of the previous owners of this car has used this tire repair kit. And actually, the bad idea to use those kits because they can damage the TPMS sensors, they can damage the tires. And eventually you may end up buying a new tire, repairing TPMS, and spending a lot of money for that, and probably roadside assistance will be cheaper. So what I recommend is buying a donut spare tire, a jack, putting it here. Yeah, you will take the majority of space in your trunk, but this may save you a lot of time in the future.